Stretching it out. He's been doing a lot of downward dog lately. Go out, Bella. It's okay. Hey, Henry. What are you doing? Uh-huh. What is that? Can you tell us what you're playing with? Mama? You say mamas? Hey, Mr. Chubby Cheeks. He's so focused on that thing. Mr. Chubby Cheeks. Hi.